Hello friends, let us study Araceae part 2nd. Family Araceae is also called as palm family. Fruit and seeds of family Araceae. Fruit berry with fleshy exocarp, for example in Phoenix. So here in Phoenix sylvestris or Phoenix dactylifera or date palm, the fruit is berry with fleshy exocarp which is edible, or the fruit is drupe in case of coconut or cocos which is having fibrous epicarp. Seeds of Araceae with small embryo and abundant endosperm. Pollination and dispersal in Araceae. Pollination in palms is usually anemophilous, that is they are wind pollinated, and the flowers are protandrous, that means the androecium matures before the gynoecium. Some palms like sabal, however, are insect pollinated, that means they are entomophilous. Dispersal of fruit is either by animals or by water, for example coconut or Cocos nucifera. Let us study key characters of Araceae. The key characters are also called as diagnostic characters or distinguishing characters. Shrubs or trees with arborescent stem having prominent scars of leaf bases and crown of large fan shaped or pinnately compound leaves. Inflorescence spadix or paniculate, often with spathes. Spath means leaf like bracts are present in this. So we have seen this in our previous video of Araceae part 1. Flowers small, unisexual or bisexual, actinomorphic and trimerous. So you can watch my Araceae part 1 video for the details of these characters. Let us study general floral formula. So male flower ebracteate, actinomorphic, male, this is the symbol of male. Perianth parts are 6 in number of 2 whorls, that is 3 in each whorl. It may be 3 plus 3 or 3 plus 3. The meaning of this parenthesis or the bracket is that the outer whorl of perianth parts, that is tepals, is united or fused, that is designated by the bracket, and the inner whorl is free, or either both the whorls are free. Androecium, the stamens are also 6 in number, that is the number that is multiple of 3, which is why the flowers are designated as trimerous. 3 plus 3, outer whorl is having 3 stamens and inner whorl is having 3 stamens. G0 or pistillode, that means in case of male flower no carpels, or the pistillode, that means the sterile pistil or sterile gynoecium may be present. Female flower ebracteate, actinomorphic, female, perianth parts 3 plus 3 or 3 plus 3. A0, that means in female flower no stamens or staminodes. Staminodes means sterile stamens. G3 in bracket or 3 and underline, that means the gynoecium may be syncarpus, tricarpellary syncarpus, ovary superior, or tricarpellary apocarpus, ovary superior. Bisexual flower ebracteate, actinomorphic, bisexual, P, perianth parts 3 plus 3 or 3 plus 3. Androecium 3 plus 3, stamens are 6 in number in 2 whorls of 3 each. Gynoecium tricarpellary syncarpus or apocarpus, and ovary is superior. Let us study the floral diagram. So this is the floral diagram of male flower of Cocos nucifera. So here you can see trimerous flower, the tepals and stamens. There are no carpels, and in female flowers no stamens. 3 carpels can be seen in the center. Let us study economic importance of family Araceae or Palmae or palm family. Cocos nucifera. This is generally called as coconut or kalpavraksh. Coconut palm or nariyal is a plant of this family whose almost every part of the entire plant body is utilized in some way or the other. For example, root decoction is used as mouthwash. Stem is used for pillars and as a fuel. Leaves are utilized for making mats, fans, baskets, etc. Toddy obtained from the young inflorescence provides an intoxicating alcoholic drink on fermentation. Endosperm of young fruits is edible and their milky fluid is a sweet and refreshing drink. Vegetable fat obtained from the dried endosperm of mature fruits is used for cooking and several toilet preparations. Dried fibrous mesocarp of fruit is used for brushes, ropes, mats, floor coverings, etc. Woody endocarp of fruits is prepared into several articles of decoration. Famous coconut oil is used for anointing the body. Let us have a look at the ornamental plants of Palmae. Palms are universally known for their majestic look and handsome appearance. See, Adonidia merrily, that is Manila palm. This is Arenga pinnata, Gomti palm. This is Caryota urens, fishtail palm. This is Chamaerops humilus, European fan palm. Livistona chinensis, Chinese fan palm. This is Roystonea elata, Floridian royal palm. This is Sabal minor, bush palmetto. Sabal ambraculifera, that is cabbage palm. Then oils. Coconut oil is obtained from the dried ripe endosperm of the Cocos nucifera, and the palm oil is obtained from the fleshy mesocarp of fruits of Aelis guineensis. Edible products of Araceae. Seeds of Areca catechu or supari or betel nut palm are sliced and chewed along with the pan, that is piper beetle, by millions of the people. This is quite popular. Then kernel fruits and tender leaves of Arenga pinnata is edible. Young seedlings of Borassus flabellifer are used as vegetable and its fruits are eaten after roasting. Sago, used as an article of diet, is obtained from the pith of stem of Metroxylon rumphi, that is sago palm or sabudana. Then the ripe fruits of Phoenix dactylifera, date palm or pind khajur, and the Phoenix sylvestris, wild date palm or jungli khajur, are eaten throughout the world for their high food value. Fruits of sabal palmetto, cabbage palm, are edible and honey is prepared from its flowers. Toddy. What is toddy? A sap or sugary solution which is obtained by cutting or tapping the stems, young peduncles or inflorescences of several species of this family Araceae. This sap or sugary solution is used for manufacturing jaggery. By fermentation of this sap, an intoxicating drink or beverage is produced, that is called as toddy. This sap is also used for manufacturing a number of commercially useful products such as neera, palm sugar, alcohol, vinegar, etc. Palms that are commonly used for this purpose are Arenga pinnata, Arenga saccharifera, Borassus flabellifer, Caryota urens, Metroxylon rumphi, Nypa fruticans, Phoenix dactylifera and Phoenix sylvestris. Hats, mats and brushes, they are also prepared, they are also manufactured from the members of family Araceae. Thank you.